Tayammum is the act of performing ablution using clean earth or dust when water is not available, or when one is unable to use water due to illness or other reasons. The Quran mentions tayammum in 2 verses. 1. Surah An-Nisa, Quran 4 verse 43. Verse says, "O you who have believed, do not approach prayer while you are intoxicated until you know what you are saying, or in a state of janabah, sexual impurity, except those passing through a journey, until you have washed your whole body. And if you are ill or on a journey, or one of you comes from the place of relieving himself, or you have contacted women and find no water, then seek clean earth and wipe over your faces and your hands with it. Indeed, Allah is ever pardoning and forgiving." Breakdown. Context. This verse is addressing the rules of purity in different situations. Prohibitions. The verse begins by prohibiting approaching prayer while intoxicated or in a state of janabah, major impurity. Allowances for tayammum. If one is ill on a journey or has come from relieving oneself, i.e., after urination or defecation, or has had sexual contact and is unable to find water, they are allowed to perform tayammum. How to perform tayammum? Use clean earth. Wipe your face and hands. Conclusion. Allah is forgiving, providing an alternative means of purification in specific circumstances. 2. Surah Al-Ma'idah, Quran 5 verse 6. Verse, "O you who have believed, when you rise to perform prayer, wash your faces and your forearms to the elbows and wipe over your heads and wash your feet to the ankles. And if you are in a state of janabah, impurity, then purify yourselves. But if you are ill or on a journey, or one of you comes from the place of relieving himself, or you have contacted women and do not find water, then seek clean earth and wipe over your faces and hands with it." Allah does not intend to make difficulty for you, but He intends to purify you and complete His favor upon you that you may be grateful. Breakdown. Command of Wudu, ablution. The verse begins by describing the normal process of ablution, which includes washing the face, arms, wiping the head, and washing the feet. State of major impurity, janabah for major impurity. Full purification, ghusl, is required. Allowance for tayammum. If water is unavailable due to illness, travel, or after relieving oneself or sexual contact, believers are permitted to perform tayammum. Key points on tayammum. 1. When is tayammum allowed? When water is unavailable. When one is ill and unable to use water. During travel when accessing water is difficult. After relieving oneself or sexual impurity when water is not available. 2. How is tayammum performed? Strike the hands on clean earth or dust. Wipe the face and hands. 3. Why was tayammum prescribed? As a concession from Allah to make the practice of religion easier in difficult situations. To maintain purity, which is a key element of Islamic worship. These 2 verses from the Quran make it clear that tayammum is an important act of purification for Muslims when water is not available or cannot be used, showing the flexibility and mercy in Islamic rulings on cleanliness and worship. We hope you enjoy this video. Leave us a comment, like, subscribe to our channel, and share with friends and family for better understanding of our religion. Stay blessed.